economic equilibrium. Now what is economic equilibrium? First of all, try to understand this term with the pictures given here. In this picture you can see that demand is equal to supply, because means यहाँ demand supply से ज़्यादा नहीं है और supply demand से ज़्यादा नहीं है. They both are equal. And in this picture we can see that supply and demand curve meets at this point, and this point is known as the economic equilibrium. Means when demand equal supply we have economic equilibrium. जब किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए डिमांड और उसका सप्लाई वो इक्वल होता है या फिर वो सेम होता है, then we can say that economic is in equilibrium condition. A situation in which the market price has reached the level at which quantity supplied equals quantity demanded. Means for a commodity, when our demand equals the supply of that commodity, then we can say that economic equilibrium has been achieved or economic is in equilibrium. Means किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के प्राइस को का टू दैट एक्सटेंट रीच करना और उस लेवल तक पहुंचना जहां उसका डिमांड और सप्लाई वो इक्वल हो, दैट इज इकोनॉमिक इक्विलिब्रियम. Consumer's equilibrium. It refers to a situation under which a consumer spends income on purchase of one or more than one commodity in such a manner that gives him maximum satisfaction and he has no tendency to change it. For example, a tea and sandwich. Raju has rupees 30 and spent on these two items gained maximum satisfaction. So the consumer's equilibrium means when a consumer spends his income or spends his money on some commodities or on one commodity, and from that purchase he gained full satisfaction or maximum satisfaction and he doesn't want to change that. Suppose किसी एक कंज्यूमर के पास 100 रुपीज़ हैं and with that 100 रुपीज़ he has purchased two items. उसने एप्पल्स लिए और अ पैकेट ऑफ ब्रेड. बट उसे ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए उस एप्पल को कंज्यूम करके या उस ब्रेड को कंज्यूम करके दैट नहीं, मुझे एप्पल्स नहीं, मुझे कोई दूसरा फ्रूट परचेज करना चाहिए था. द सिचुएशन विल बी दैट कि उन दोनों आइटम से उसने अपना मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन अचीव किया एंड he is fully satisfied with that and he doesn't want to change that. So this situation is known as consumer's equilibrium. Means to spend our income in such a way which gives us maximum satisfaction and we doesn't want to change that.